Hi, I'm Janet Kauffman, and this is Kauffman Nature Sanctuary just opening. I'm in Hillsdale County, which is the southernmost county in the middle of Michigan. And this was a farm since it was settled. And I even farmed hay here for some years. But the last 25 years or so, it's been just left to grow as itself and do what it pleased. So it's been wonderful to see so many different species arrive here, and have spent a lot of time trying to document the native species and see what is here, what comes here over time. I do a lot of birding here, so if you come here to just go for a walk, mostly you can be sure of seeing birds. You can be sure of seeing deer pretty often. There are 3 wetlands that are fairly large, so there's a lot of waterfowl, depending on the time of year. There's ducks and geese, great green herons. I've seen sandhill cranes here. In fact, they nested here one year too. So they're really sort of different, distinct ecosystems. There's the wetland area, there's the woods and the stream, and that was never disturbed. So the floodplain is a really interesting place along the stream. Lots of wildflowers in the spring. So there's a variety of things. Depends a lot on the season. It's a great place to see over time. The thing I really hope happens for anybody who walks here is pretty much what's happened to me over time. That you just begin to feel that you're in the midst of things. You're not a separate creature. You're one of the creatures in the place and one of the things walking around that can notice just about anything of interest, almost wherever you look. Where I grew up, tobacco farm in Pennsylvania, everything is gone. All those farms were sold for suburban development, and I really suffered. And I think a lot of people suffered with the loss of their familiar landscapes. So when I got here, I really was anxious to protect it in some way. That has given me such huge satisfaction and pleasure to know that's the case with the Acres Land Trust, and I love the language they use. They're going to protect things forever. And I like to think you protect it in perpetuity. It's the same thing, on and on and on, as long as we're able to protect things. I think it's one of the most important things human beings can do.